Welcome to Biker's Choice. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the BMW F850 GS, a versatile adventure motorcycle designed for those who crave exploration on and off the beaten path. With its impressive blend of comfort, performance, and technology, the F850 GS has become a favorite among adventure riders worldwide. Let's dive into what makes this bike a top choice for adventurers. Design and build quality. The BMW F850 GS boasts a rugged yet sleek design that is instantly recognizable. Its distinctive beak and tall stance emphasize its adventure-oriented capabilities. Built on a lightweight frame, the bike features a comfortable seat height that appeals to both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. High-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship ensure durability, making it ready for whatever terrain you throw at it. The overall design balances practicality with aesthetics, ensuring the F850 GS looks as good as it performs. Engine and performance. At the heart of the F850 GS is a powerful 853cc parallel twin engine that produces 90 horsepower and 86 Nm of torque. This engine delivers smooth power across the rev range, providing excellent acceleration and performance both on highways and off-road trails. The bike's dynamic suspension system, which includes adjustable front and rear components, enhances handling and stability, ensuring a confident ride in various conditions. Whether you're tackling rocky paths or cruising on the highway, the F850 GS is built to handle it all. Technology and features. The BMW F850 GS is packed with advanced technology to enhance the riding experience. The bike features a full-color TFT display that provides essential information, including navigation and ride modes. Riders can choose between different riding modes: rain, road, and enduro, to suit their preferences and the terrain. Additionally, the bike is equipped with ABS Pro and dynamic traction control, ensuring maximum safety and control in challenging conditions. Optional features like heated grips and cruise control make longer rides more comfortable. Riding experience. The riding experience on the BMW F850 GS is nothing short of exhilarating. The ergonomics are designed for long-distance comfort, with an upright riding position that reduces fatigue on extended journeys. The bike's lightweight nature allows for nimble maneuvering, whether navigating through city traffic or tackling off-road obstacles. The responsive brakes and excellent suspension provide a reassuring level of control, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders looking for adventures. Conclusion. In summary, the BMW F850 GS is an outstanding adventure motorcycle that excels in performance, comfort, and versatility. Its blend of powerful engineering and advanced technology makes it a top contender for anyone looking to explore the world on two wheels. Thank you for joining us at Biker's Choice for this exploration of the BMW F850 GS. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.